Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So guys, on the times you can see that I'm going ahead to do a trim of my ends. My hair really needs a trim and I'm going to be doing it myself at home. If this is something you guys definitely want to see, then stick around. Yes, I know I'm looking a bit crazy. I just washed my hair today and I've been delaying this trim for a while now, so I decided it's definitely time for me to go ahead and get rid of these broken. I have split ends and such, and my hair is growing and I really want to encourage the growth, so I'm getting rid of my split ends. Yes, so yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, here are the things that I'll be using. I bought a new share for $270 at a local beauty store. That's roughly $1.50 USD. I also have with me my combs. I'm using a white teeth comb, a fine teeth comb, and an in-between comb, and also some little clips to hold my hair back while I do my sectioning. I have with me also an inch measure, guys. Let me know down in the comment section what you use to measure the length of your hair. I will be trying with an inch measure. So at this point you realize that my hair is freshly washed and I didn't bother to do a blow dry. Based on the videos, some of the videos I watched, persons who did home trimmings, they just went ahead to do it on freshly washed hair without blow drying, where you're able to see the split ends different. Because as you look at the hair, you'll see that coming from the roots close to the end is rather smooth, and then you see to the end where the hair gets rough. So that's the section there that I'll go ahead to clip. So you'll realize that I use my fingers in a scissors motion to smooth my hair out to the end, and then from there you're able to see the split ends at the end of my hair. So that's what I will be clipping. So let's just go again. Just going ahead to detangle to make sure that everything is straight and even. Then I'll use my fingers to highlight where I want to cut. And then I just go ahead to make a nice trim of that end. Just a little excess right there, and I'll remove that. And you can already see the difference with my hair. There's no thinning at the end anymore. It's a lot straighter. I probably could have clipped this a little bit more, but as we go along you'll see that I gradually improve on my trimming skills. So yes guys, so that's one section down, and I'll just move along with the same motion. So what I'll do as I go ahead is just to put the sections that I've already trimmed in a 2-strand twist. One of my fears always in going ahead to trim my hair is that I won't have any ends to end my twists or my braids, but ended perfectly fine to me right there. So I'm just going to move on to another section, and you realize I'm not doing the sections too big because I am trying my very best to keep the sections even. You know, if you are grouping too much hair, then you'll have sections from the back, sections from the front, and when you trim it might cause a lot of unevenness with the hair. So I'm trying to do it in smaller sections. So you see I'm doing the same method here, running my fingers out to the tip and then just going ahead to clip the split ends at the end of the hair there. So here we go again. So I just go ahead to do the same, set my fingers up in place, and then just take the scissors to remove that. So guys, I transitioned my hair, started transition my hair, I think it was 2015, and this is currently 2021, and this is actually the first time I am trimming my hair myself. I actually thought it never got a trim at all after transition, but I am remembering now that I think it was 2018 I went to a salon for braiding for my birthday, and that hairdresser gave me a trim. But guys, it has been what, almost 3 years or a little over 3 years now and counting, because my birthday was what, last month. So 3 years and counting since my last trim. I was definitely due one. So if you are a real OG member, you probably know the little patch I had in the middle of my hair right there. Now it's roughly about 4 or 5 inches in length. Look at it right there. I got that patch there from tension because I was always wearing high buns going to work. So I basically lived in high buns most of the times. So once I had a wash day, then I would, after about 3 days of wearing it down, then I'd switch to high buns and I'd wear that high bun for another week before I'd wash my hair again. So that tension from the headband caused a patch when I would tie it right in the center there. And it wasn't until 2020, about February or March thereabouts, when I started to work from home, that my hair got a break. And you know, with all the different treatments I've been doing, the rice water, the aloe vera and everything, then it allowed less tension on my hair and promoted growth. And you see right there, it's about 4 or 5 inches in length. And in no time, I'm sure I won't even be able to notice that section there that I had the patch. So definitely my home remedies for hair growth has been working. So you guys realize now by this point that I'm just running through my hair like Jet Li run? No, so Jet Li don't run, Jet Li fights. So at this point I'm running through my hair like Usain Bolt, right? So going through the process, you know, the more you do the clippings, the easier it becomes to trim for yourself. And then you see that after I do a trim and do the twist, I might notice that there's still a little tip or a little end on the hair. So I just go ahead to clip that off, because when you twist your hair, you can see at the end of it if it is you still have breakages, split ends, or just areas of uneven ends that you can go ahead to clip off. So after twisting as well, I'll just go over that section and remove any excess that should have been clipped in the process. So by this point, we're at the back. The back is a little bit harder to do, but as I said, keeping with my method, doing it in small sections and then just running my finger through and clip, clip, clip. I probably took more off the back than I did in the front, but you could see at the end of my hair that there was thinning, there was a difference in the length, so not bad after all. But on a serious note, guys, I really need to look into other ways of styling my hair when I have it in a wash and go, because other than the fact that you can have tension from the hairband that you use in your high buns, also the pressure of putting your hair together at the top of your head can also cause in the top to start to fall out, and that is not safe. So what I've been doing for my wash and goes in these cases when I do is try not to do so many high buns, and if I do a high bun, I try my very best to not make it too tight. But I'm still exploring other protective styles that can be used in my hair that places less tension on my scalp, because I do realize that too much tension causes my hair to fall out. But really these days, my go-to style for protective style is really and truly just doing twists, mini twists or jumbo twists, and then after a while I just switch over to a twist out and then back to my wash day. To me these days it's easier to do, and it actually has less tension on my hair. When I do my wash and goes, sometimes I get tangles, and then that also puts some stress on your hair because, well, if you don't detangle properly, then you will get knots, and when you try to detangle those knots, then you get breakage. So sometimes if I don't necessarily have to do a wash and go because I really don't have specific things to do that might need that style, then I just opt out, go straight ahead to do a mini twist and then a twist out. which is a lot easier, as I said, and noticeably has been promoting growth, because there is not much to do when you have twists in your hair unless you want to add some different style into it. And if you want to know different ways in which you can style your mini twist, I also have a video that shows that, and I will link it in the description as well, so you can go ahead and check it out for different ways to style your mini twist. So at this point you realize I'm almost at the front of my hair, and well, almost finished with my hair. I'm at the front, but I haven't done the back as yet. And you realize that for most cases where I'm doing my trim, I'm not really trimming more than an inch of hair, if it even gets to an inch. So all in all, I don't think I'm doing that bad, because my split ends and breakage thinning at the end of my hair is not so bad. So guys, I really wanted to give you guys a length check for this video, but it's really late now on a Sunday night and I have work tomorrow morning, so I'll have a styling that I want to do next in my hair that requires me to blow dry my hair. So I'll definitely go ahead to do that, do the length check before that style for the video. Just want to show you that overall, this is the amount of hair I would have clipped from my ends for the trim, and these were the combs I used to detangle my hair while I was doing the trim. You notice that there's no hair in the combs. I just recently, like 2 days ago, removed my braids. I had some braids in for September into October, and I removed those braids, and when I removed the braid, I added the rice water and aloe vera mixed in my hair, and that is what I had in for 2 days before washing. So in detangling, basically I can say detangling, I lost probably about this amount of hair while washing my hair. I wanted to show you guys in the video, but I forgot to keep it after washing my hair, because I detangle while I condition, and I lost about that amount of hair in the detangle. So you know that the aloe vera and the rice water mix added some strength to my hair during my wash day process. I'm going to put that video down in my description so you can check that out to see what the mix looks like and how I normally apply it to my hair. And I'll also tag some other hair videos for different treatments that I've been using to both grow my hair and strengthen my hair. So Naturally Told fam, if you enjoyed this video, then definitely go ahead and hit me with a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you like my content, then also go ahead to hit that subscribe button and join the Naturally Told family, and hit that like button to show that you like the video. Also, let's chit chat down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about my homemade, what you think about my home way of trimming my hair. I don't think I did a bad job. Definitely for the next video that I'm doing the length check, you'll be able to see if I did a good job. When it's straightened, you'll be able to see what my ends look like, if I still have split ends, etc. But let's chit chat down in the comment section. And then of course guys, I always end my video by saying Continue to be your most authentic self, guys, and stay naturally. Until next time.